Hi everyone, welcome back to PooLin channel. I'm Sean. At first glance, these two machines might look just like our EOC05, right? But surprise, this is actually our brand new model, the EOC05 2-in-1. It's a sewing and embroidery combo machine. All-in-one finally show up in 2025. And this time we still got two colors for choice, red and white. Red version is still called RE, and no difference, just color. Today's video is all about helping you get started with the sewing side of our new EOC05 2-in-1. It's super easy. Let's jump in. Alright, let's power on the machine. Take a first look up the screen. Here's the first change that's new. Now we have a sewing mode built right in. Hold on, no rush. Let's get everything ready with the threading and bobbing first. Alright, step 1, let's get the bobbin in place. First, slide the lash to the right and pop the bobbin cover off. Just set it aside. Now, pull the bobbin thread counterclockwise and place the bobbin in the bobbin case with the thread going counterclockwise. Then, follow the arrows to guide the thread around the bobbin. Make sure the thread passes through the guides in the direction. Gently pull the thread to make sure it moves smoothly. Finally, trim off the extra thread and close the bobbin cover. Bobbins all set. Next up, we will thread the machine. Here I am using the cotton thread for sewing. Regular embroidery thread isn't really suitable for this part. Place the spool on the machine spool holder and use a spool cap to keep it secure. Before threading, make sure to lift the presser foot. That's super important. Then pull the thread through this hook right here. Pull the thread down and slide it between the two metal pieces, right in the middle. Great! Now just follow the groove and pull the thread straight down. Next, we can lower the presser foot to hold the thread in place. Then, pull the thread up along the track. It goes around this U-turn right here. Now for the elastic hook, I'm gonna remove the front cover real quick so you can see it better. Then, pull the thread down again through the hook. Give the thread a gentle tug, just to make sure it's moving smoothly and not stuck anywhere. Now, it's time to thread the needle. This is the automatic needle threader, but make sure your needle is at the highest position before using it. If it's not, just tap this button twice to bring it up. Then, press the automatic needle threading device down to its lowest position to make sure the small hook on the needle threader passes through the needle hole and catches the thread. Then release the automatic needle threader. Or you can thread the needle yourself and pull the thread out with tweezers to protect your fingers. Finally, trim off the extra thread. Long tails can mess up the tension. Once you've done all of them, the basic preparation work is done. You are probably wondering, so how do we start sewing? Well, watch me show a little magic for you. Let's go ahead and remove the embroidery unit. Look, the screen switches right into the sewing mode. You'll see lots of stitches and options. Let's just pick a basic one for now. Take the two fabric pieces we prepared earlier. We are going to sew them together now. Alright, that's a quick intro to our bobbin installation, threading and basic sewing on our EOC05 2-in-1. We will work on more sewing functions step by step in the coming videos. Make sure to subscribe us so you will not miss out. Thank you for watching.